Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Iconic Kitchen. Today we are at PIRCH in Mission Viejo and we are cooking with Chef Kim. Our recipe today is an awesome udon noodle dish that we're going to cook on an induction cooktop. So join me to learn more about how to make this awesome recipe. Chef Kim, I'm so excited about this Asian noodle dish we're going to cook today. Where do we start?
Okay, so we're going to start off with boiling the noodles, but I kind of want to talk about, the whole concept today. I wanted to give you an easy recipe you can make at home. I love doing stir fries because it allows you to grab whatever veggies are about to go bad and just chop them up and throw them in all in one pot, whatever protein you want to do. But not only is this an easy dish, I'm also using induction. So today we're using Fisher Paykel. I love induction because how efficient it is. It is so accurate with its temperature. You can get water to boil so quick. So anytime you're doing a pasta dish, you can have it on your table in like 15 minutes, right? So we're gonna go ahead and turn on our water. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on power boost, which is the highest temperature you can go. And it's gonna boil in literally minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. So we're gonna let that go.
It's going already.
Yeah. Okay, Renee, so our water is boiling. I'm gonna hand over the noodles to you. I want you to touch those handles. Are they hot?
No,
they're not. Yeah, so if you're doing this on a gas range, all that heat is going on the outside of your pot, right?
Yeah.
So it's gonna warm up your handles, it's gonna just warm up your entire kitchen. But with induction, what it's doing, it's creating this like magnetic field with your pan. And it's just heating up the pan. All that power is going straight into your pan, into your food, and not all over the place and wasted. Wasted energy is basically what it is.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Right?
Yeah, I'm not used to being able to grab a hold of that.
So go ahead and throw those in there.
Okay.
So our noodles are done. I did about 5 minutes of boiling and then I kind of turn them off and let it sit for a minute, or you could just check the doneness of it. You kind of want it al dente. So I'm gonna have you take the pot.
Which I can do because it's not hot.
It's not hot. We're gonna dump it in the sink. After we strain the noodles, I just ran them under cold water, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of oil so that they don't stick.
Right.
And we're gonna set aside. So this stir fry has some mushrooms, carrots, some bell peppers, we have onion, and then a gochujang sauce. It's like sweet and spicy, has a little bit of molasses in there. It's amazing. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, and again, it gets hot super fast. I don't need to wait that long. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on 8. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil for our mushrooms. We're gonna go ahead and add our mushrooms, and I'll let you give that a little stir. You kind of want them flat so they get a nice browning on them. So these right here are Korean shiitake mushrooms. If you could find these in your grocery store, I really recommend it. They are so fragrant, but they taste so good.
They smell good just as we're cooking right now.
So while that's going, we're waiting for it to get nice and brown, I'm gonna go ahead and use our little grill pan. This is an accessory that you can purchase with Fisher and Paykel. They also have a flat griddle one. It's an awesome thing to have. You could bridge these two together and you're heating up your entire pan. This is where we're gonna saute our shrimp. Look at that browning already. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, these are cooking so quickly. I know there's specific pans you have to have when you're cooking on induction. What is that?
So it just has to be a magnet. A good test, you could do cast iron, you could do stainless steel. Aluminum is not one. Usually Teflons don't work. But a good test is you'll take a magnet, take your pan, and if your magnet sticks, then it's gonna work on your induction. So that's a good way to kind of tell whether or not your pans at home are gonna work and whether you have to go and buy new ones.
Yep, that's great.
So here I took some tiger stripe shrimp. I took a little bit of gochujang and cilantro and a little bit of lime juice. We're gonna go ahead and put it on our griddle. Put a little oil on here.
Oh, I feel so chefy right now.
Look at you go.
So how long, especially with this instant heat that we've got going, how long do these need to be on here?
Honestly, it's about 4 minutes on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more oil so I could add the rest of our ingredients. What we're gonna do is take some green onion. This is the white part only. And then we're gonna do some garlic. I did about 6 cloves of garlic minced. And one of my favorite ingredients, ginger.
Oh, ginger.
Oh, yes, I love ginger. Can never go wrong with ginger and garlic.
Are you ready for me to flip?
Yeah, you can flip those. Look at that beautiful color. Wow. And while you're flipping that, I'm going to add some carrots and bell peppers. Look at all these beautiful colors. And that's another thing I love about stir fries. It's like all these beautiful colors you get thrown in there. So we're just gonna let this saute for about 2 more minutes. Our shrimp is almost done. Go ahead and peel them off and put them on the plate. So now, Renee, I'm gonna add a little bit of Thai basil.
Thai basil.
Yes, lots of fragrance here. We are not skipping out on flavor. Now I'm going to take my sauce.
And tell me what's in our sauce again.
It has gochujang, some tahini, sesame oil, soy sauce, and molasses, and a little bit of brown sugar in there as well. So now that that's simmering a little bit, we're gonna take our noodles. We wanna take that and dump them in there. Kind of like get all those ingredients in there together. Doesn't that look tasty?
Wow, it looks amazing.
To give it a little bit more color, we're just gonna kind of marry some of the spinach in there.
Ooh, spinach.
Little extra green onion.
This looks delicious. I love that it's such a complete meal just in one bowl.
It is. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Just look at that sauce, those colors.
Okay, so it's time to taste our creation.
My favorite part. Was that good?
Really good. Yeah, and some nice spice in this too.
Oh yeah, a little sweetness, spicy, a little basil in there to give it some freshness. It's perfect dish.
So what I love about what we cooked today, first of all, is I learned about this incredible technology, induction, which that to me is amazing. And you gave me an incredible recipe that I can share with my family that is incredibly tasty and super easy to make. So we got through this really quickly. I think I could do this after work.
I think you can. I believe in you.
Yeah, thank you. That was really great. Thanks, Chef Kim, for teaching us how to cook an amazing, super delicious noodle dish today. For more, follow us on Instagram at PIRCH and at Iconic Life Mag. And if you're looking for these recipes, go to iconiclife.com. Until next time, see you soon.